whose fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. He followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. He followed her to school, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near. He waited patiently about, Lee about, Lee about. He waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow.
Ho ho!
Hello guys, look at this. There is a beautiful little house with many flowers, trees, ducks, and surrounded by a lake here, right? It would be nice if I could live here. Do you want to live here? Let us know. And what you want us to do in the next videos? Comment, please. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.